Have you ever felt disconnected from your passion and wondered if you could ever reignite it? That's exactly what happened to me. After stepping away from music, I reconnected with my old friend Mark Kiefner, a platinum award-winning songwriter I worked with in the 1990s. Despite our diverging career paths during the Great Recession, Mark in office supplies and I in commercial banking, an unexpected Zoom call transformed our nostalgic catch-up into a revitalized ambition to revive our music careers. It wasn't just a trip down memory lane. It was the spark we needed for a fresh start. Join Mark and me as we share 3 strategies that illustrate how having an accountability partner can add enormous momentum to your composing comeback. Once we reconnected, it wasn't long before I realized how differences create incredible synergy. As a classically trained musician, I brought orchestral experience, while Mark, a self-taught pop musician, excelled in engineering and technical prowess.
The fact that Christopher and I have a whole different set of skills, him being orchestrally trained as a composer, and me being, just the guy that said, well, I'm going to learn how to play guitar or piano or drums or whatever. Yeah, what a combination. Fireworks.
Our partnership taught us the power of embracing differences, allowing us to achieve more together than we ever could alone. By employing the methods I'm about to share with you, we didn't just revive our careers, we transformed how we approached every musical challenge. With clear strategies in place, we embarked on specific monthly activities designed to elevate our mission. Each month, we adopted a holistic approach to enhance our portfolio. We selected iconic TV shows to rescore using custom slates to respect copyright and crafted new pop songs, all while refining our composing, mixing, and production skills. By incorporating these works into our dynamic portfolio, we showcased our evolving capabilities and accelerated my technological learning in an engaging and fun manner. Our partnership harnessed unexpected synergy. My orchestral training and Mark's engineering expertise complemented each other perfectly. This blend of skills empowered us to achieve together what we couldn't have alone, laying the foundation for our successful comeback.
Christopher would compose one iconic television theme a month for us to add to the newsletter, and I would mix them. Pow! Coming up with some great stuff, oftentimes better than the original in my opinion.
I'd love to hear about your own experiences with collaboration. Share a story in the comments where teaming up with someone changed the trajectory of your career. As we collaborated and recognized our strong synergy, the logical next step was to engineer our comeback strategy through weekly Zoom meetings. These structured brainstorming sessions were crafted to track progress and accelerate momentum. Our custom Google Doc, which is available as a free download below, became our strategic roadmap, consistently beginning with the question, what goals do we accomplish this week? And how can we move the needle forward? Let me share how I structured this document to ensure no opportunity was lost or overlooked. Every initiative had to survive our 5-point interrogation. Does this initiative directly supercharge our existing goals? Why is this goal critical? Are we replacing or duplicating efforts? Does this move us forward or derail our mission? What makes this uniquely compelling? No goal survived unless it passed our strategic gauntlet, and then we bulleted our top steps for the following week. Before moving forward with any initiative, put it through a rigorous evaluation process, the strategic gauntlet. Ensure each goal aligns with your priorities, assess its urgency and impact on resources, and measure its potential to advance your mission while offering a competitive edge. This thorough vetting process will help maintain focus, refine your strategy, instill confidence, provide a rudder for your goals, and ensure you're consistently working towards meaningful progress. We weren't just planning, we were using our corporate experience and background learned in our day job to transform musical strategy into a laser-focused professional mission.
The 5-point initiative interrogation is the most valuable set of tools you can have, in my opinion. I am right-brained by nature, which is why Christopher and I make great partners. He's super analytical, writes things down, analyzes them. I generally kind of go with the flow, and whatever happens, happens. So by being able to really fine-tune what your goals are and keep yourself on point as a team and individually, you make a lot more progress a lot faster.
What's one bold step you took to push past a creative barrier? Share with us in the comments and let's inspire each other. As we embarked on our comeback, we realized the necessity of creating a method to effectively organize both old and new contexts. We needed a system that would ensure no opportunity slip through the cracks during our weekly strategy sessions. And this insight led to the creation of our custom Excel spreadsheet, an essential tool that allowed us to systematically update and enhance our professional relationships, transforming potential opportunities into concrete advancements. I created a custom Excel worksheet as our professional GPS, tracking every potential connection with military-grade precision, listing company profiles, contact origins, potential cash flow opportunities, communication strategies, industry classifications, even a marketing funnel column with different fields that classified the client and where they existed in our marketing funnel. Networking sparks awareness, a response triggers interest, conversations build desire, and suddenly we've got a client.
At one point, I think Christopher called it a professional GPS. Didn't you coin that phrase? That's beautiful because that really talks about what an Excel spreadsheet can do for maintaining your focus and keeping you propelling forward with your motion. It's easy to get stagnated or derailed with 100 different things you're doing, so keeps you on point.
I've included the Excel spreadsheet in the description box below just for you. It can be your blueprint for professional transformation. This goes beyond simple documentation. It's the very foundation that supported our creative comeback, crafted with care, one calculated move at a time. I hope it helps you on your journey as much as it did ours. Reach out to your contacts and make a list of everyone you worked with in the past, free or paid. What do you think of this approach? Please share your comments below. As you may recall, when I crafted my marketing resume and used AI to generate my ideal client profile, it read, "Your ideal client is likely to be film directors, producers, and studios seeking experienced composers who can deliver unique, versatile scores for both traditional and non-traditional projects." Next, using my marketing resume as a foundation, I asked AI to generate a concise and impactful branding statement that highlights my strengths as a composer, combining traditional musical expertise with innovative, forward-thinking approaches. And AI wrote, "With one ear to the past and an eye to the future." This phrase perfectly captures the essence of a composer who draws inspiration from musical traditions while simultaneously innovating with a future-oriented mindset. This revelation was exciting as it helped me truly understand my identity as a composer and how to make my past accomplishments relevant to today's directors and producers. So my previous credits didn't lose their significance, they evolved. Silent film scores, animation themes, behind-the-scenes narratives became more than just a showcase of music. They served as a testament to dismantling self-doubt and affirming relevance in the industry. So for both Mark and me, this wasn't just a digital portfolio, it was a declaration. We're still here. We're still creating. Our digital museum wasn't merely a website, it was the unfolding story of our professional comeback, crafted track by track. When choosing a partner, focus on complementary skills to enhance your collaboration. Whether you're conservatory trained or self-taught, embracing diverse expertise like technical proficiency and business acumen can create powerful synergy. This approach can lead to greater effectiveness and innovation than working alone.
My advice would be choose a partner that inspires you to do better, to be more, to achieve more, and to keep pushing the boundaries by staying positive and just keep chipping away at it. You'll get there. You just have to believe you will, and belief is supported by action. Action is what makes it happen.
Having transformed our journey, I'm challenging you to unlock your potential with what I call the Accountability Partnership Challenge. The Accountability Partnership Challenge is a 3-step exercise designed to revitalize your music career through strategic collaboration. It begins with a personal skill audit, where you assess your strengths and identity areas for improvement. Next, you scan your network for potential partners with complementary skills and a shared passion. And finally, you clearly define what you offer and what you seek in an accountability partner. This exercise helps you gain clarity on your unique value proposition, identify skill gaps that could be filled through collaboration, recognize potential partners you might have overlooked, and create a foundation for mutually beneficial partnerships. As you prepare to take on the Accountability Partnership Challenge, remember the transformative power of collaboration and strategy in reshaping your career. You learn how connecting with like-minded partners sparked my creative revival, and how tools like the custom Excel spreadsheet helped me strategically organize and leverage opportunities. Rescoring iconic TV themes and adapting to modern production techniques were key in honing my craft. Now it's your turn to apply these lessons. Embrace the challenge, explore new possibilities, and take that decisive leap toward your composing comeback. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What strategies from our discussion have helped you push beyond your creative comfort zone? Please comment below. Let's inspire each other.
And here you want to definitely check out the next video. Christopher defines some strategies you could use to decide whether you should work for free or not, and what that can mean for your future.
Curious about how composing for free can pave the way to major success? In my next video, Compose for Free Now, Cash in Big Later, I'll share the game-changing strategy that relaunched my career. Don't miss the chance to discover how you can turn passion into profit. Subscribe, hit the notification bell to be first in line when the secrets are revealed. Remember, every step towards success is part of a larger journey, and in the greatest stories of humanity, it's the comeback that truly inspires us all. I'll see you in the next video.